Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the name of the major city in the Campania region of southern Italy. This is pronounced Napoli. Napoli. Na-po-li. Napoli. So you will notice that this is quite simple. At the end of the day, all you really need to do is stress it at the beginning. Don't overstress it unless you want to sound like you're from Naples, but in general, Napoli. What's wrong is to stress the po, for example, syllable. So if you say Napoli, yeah, that's wrong. No one says it like that in Italy. Now, we do, as Italians, tend to oftentimes stress the penultimate vowel cluster, but not in this case. Here, the stress is at the beginning. Napoli. Have you ever been? Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.